The NGT Eastern Zone Bench has instructed the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change to make a decision on granting environmental clearance to KAI International Private Limited for their proposed iron ore pelletization plant within a period of 3 months. This directive stems from the original application number 94 of 2021 Eastern Zone Bench filed by 25 applicants, represented their counsel Shankar Prasad Pani, advocate. They alleged that the company had commenced construction of the plant without obtaining the required environmental clearance or forest clearance. The application highlighted the alleged large-scale felling of about 10,000 trees on the designated plant site, which is located near the Kukia Reserve Forest and several other reserve forests within a 10-kilometer radius. This area is home to various wildlife species and endangered flora and fauna. The applicants argued that this land was being incorrectly classified as non-forest and the permission granted by the divisional forest officer was in violation of established legal principles, including those from the T.N. Godavarman 1997 to SCC 267 case. The Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change mentioned that initial proposal of the environmental impact assessment had been returned based on recommendations of the Expert Appraisal Committee during its meeting in February 2021. Following this, the project proponent modified the plant's configuration and withdrew the EIA application in October 2021. Subsequently, it submitted a fresh proposal. The DFO Rourkela granted permission for tree felling in September 2021. The revised proposal was reviewed by the EAC in November 2021 and they recommended issue of terms of reference. However, the final EIA report along with the public hearing proceedings had not been submitted to the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, indicating that no EC had been granted to KAI International. The NGT bench comprising Justice B. Amit Stalikar, judicial member, and Dr. Arun Kumar Verma, expert member, acknowledged the interim order issued on 8 October 2021, which stipulated that no further actions related to the project could be taken without the required EC and permissions. A letter from DFO Rourkela dated 11th November 2020 stated that the land was unsuitable for industry due to forest concerns, emphasizing the importance of the Site Inspection Committee SIC report and input from the State Forest Department. An important question arose concerning the DFO's authority for tree felling. Despite the state respondent's perspective that the land was not forest land, evidence suggested a significant presence of trees. In the 48th meeting of the EAC, 3,972 trees were noted on site with 1,500 felling permissions and a proposal to transplant 260 trees. As per the NGT order, the MOF and CC will also determine the liability of KAI International for environmental compensation for damage caused by the project.